The GTX 1060 6GB originally launched in 2016 for $249 to $300, depending on the model. This was meant as the mainstream Pascal architecture graphics card from Nvidia and supposedly had performance on par with the previous gen GTX 980, but landed mostly between a 970 and a 980. That's nothing to scoff at, considering those cards cost way more at launch than this one. With that being said, it's 2020 now, so let's have another look at the 1060. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your computer technician. Real quick, if you're new around here and are into tech, PC hardware, gaming, streaming, stream tutorials, news, and reviews, you've come to the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell, and don't miss a single upload. Anyways, let's get to the video. The 1060 launched in kind of a weird VRAM configuration, coming in at 6GB. This would be some interesting foreshadowing for the eventual cut-down version coming in at 3GB, but that's a story for another day. This card has 1,280 CUDA cores compared to the far more capable GTX 1070 at 1,920 CUDA cores. Generationally, the 1280 CUDA cores of the 1060 definitely beat the GTX 960's 1024 CUDA cores. Anyways, enough with all this technical jargon. We'll be checking out Doom Eternal, PUBG, Rainbow Six Siege, Battlefield 5, Apex Legends, Control, Fortnite, The Division 2, and Call of Duty Warzone. The model of 1060 in today's test will be the Galaxy 1060 6GB XOC White. The test bench is a Xeon E5-1650v2 with 4.5 GHz on all cores, 16 GB RAM and dual channel, and all benchmarks are being ran at 1080p. So let's get to them. I've got to say, I remember the 1060 doing better than I expected the last time I played around with one. While games like PUBG, Doom Eternal, obviously, and Siege did as good as I expected, the rest of the games didn't. Don't get me wrong, with the right settings at 1080p, this card can do 60 FPS or better in every game. But I wasn't expecting any titles to benchmark under 60 FPS. Control is a tougher game to run than I thought. DX12 not. Do you run a 1060? Are you happy with it or starting to consider upgrading? What did you think of its performance after watching this vid? Drop a comment down below and let me know. Let's talk about it. Don't forget, I stream every Friday at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew, so make sure to head over there and drop a follow. Links to that, our Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Discord, and all that are in the description down below. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you next Friday in the next video. Bye. We have other videos linked right over here. Make sure you check out our videos. All sorts of stuff like this, all sorts of other content. If you're into anything like this, just make sure to check one out. Click one, or else. I'm telling you, or else.